Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Evernote from opening on startup. Without any further ado, let's get started. You actually have two different ways to prevent Evernote from launching automatically when you start your computer, and I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose whichever works best for you. For the first method, we'll use Windows settings. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click the Start button or Windows icon, then select Settings from the menu that appears. Once Settings opens, click on Apps. This section controls how applications behave on your system and gives you access to various app-related settings. In the left sidebar, click on Startup. This is where Windows manages which programs are allowed to run automatically when your computer boots up. Look for Evernote in the list of apps and you'll see a toggle switch right beside it. Click that toggle to disable it. This prevents Evernote from launching through Windows Startup. Now for the second method, which uses Evernote's own built-in settings. Open your Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on your name there, then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This opens Evernote's configuration panel where you can customize various aspects of how the app behaves. Look for the option that says Open Evernote at Startup. You'll see a checkbox beside it. Simply uncheck that box, and Evernote will no longer launch automatically when you start your computer. Both methods accomplish the same goal, so you can use either one depending on your preference. The Windows settings method controls startup behavior at the system level, while the Evernote settings method manages it from within the app itself. Either way, you've now successfully stopped Evernote from opening on startup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.